Kwistjoni bħal 17 Black li din faqqat l-aħħar allegazzjoni wara 30 Ottubru. Inti fl-uffiċċju tiegħek ħadd tkun qed tidħol fl-allegazzjoni li qed isiru?
Ċertament f'dan l-istadju nista' nikkummenta fuq ebda każ partikolari. Li nista' nagħmel huwa nerġa' nikkota liġi li tgħid li ma nista' ninvestiga ebda qatt li ġara qabel 30 Ottubru. Meta faqqat meta ħoss niskomdu nitkellem fuq każijiet partikolari, però bħala fatt jekk l-att ġara qabel mod, jekk l-att ġara wara mod ieħor.
If the Panama Papers had occurred today and it was in your remit to actually look into them, what would you have done effectively?
Kevin, I think it's a bit premature for me to comment on something that I would have done, not even premature, it's not correct. I can't say what I would have done without having investigated and without having been aware of all the facts. What I can say is that an incident like that had to happen now, it would be my job to investigate.